Hi friends, this is Parul and welcome to my channel Parul Saraf Recipes in English. Today I am going to make baby weight gaining Cerelac, which is very healthy and useful for your baby. For that I take a pan on a flame and add 1.5 tablespoon of Shuddh ghee on it. Just put it on a high flame. Then I'm going to add 5 or 10, 5 to 10, it's depend upon you. I'm taking 10 fox nuts, that is makhana. Then add 5 pistas. I'm also adding 5 almonds, 5 cashew nuts, that is kaju. We have to add all the dry fruits which we like. After that, just roast it well on a low flame. Just remember, wash all the dry fruits one day before and dry them very well. Basically, this Cerelac is used for the babies from 9 months until the age of 5 years. So you can use it when your baby turns to 9 months. Just roast it well on a very low flame. Now put them aside to cool down the temperature. After that, again I am taking the same pan and going to add 1.5 bowl of ghee in a pan on a high flame. Then adding a 1 bowl of besan, but now the flame is very low when we are going to add the ingredients. I am just adding besan. Stir it well. After that, I am going to add 1 bowl of wheat flour and continuously going to stir it. Just have a look that there should be no lumps in our mixture. Just stir it very well. After that, I am going to add 1 bowl of rava. This is small rava we are using here. It is also called suji, and stir it very well. It is going to take near about 10 to 15 minutes because we are using low flame here. Just stir it. There should be no lumps. After 15 minutes, you can check that the color is changed now. It takes 15 minutes because we are in very low flame. Now it is ready. Close the flame and let it come to the room temperature. Just keep it aside on the same pan only. Just check that there should be no lumps. It is fine. On the other side, our dry fruits which we have roasted before is also cooled down now. We have to grind it in a grinder. We need a very fine powder of it. Just take out the powder and add in the paste which we have already prepared. We don't need the flame here as it is hot right now. Stir it well and mix them. Have a look. There is a small bubbles right now. That means it is hot. We are going to just add. As far as our paste cool down, it becomes thick. After it cool downs, we have to store it in a container. Just remember, we need a container which is airtight, and we are going to store it in a refrigerator. It can be easily stored for 1 month also. Now let's have a look how to prepare the Cerelac for a baby. I am taking the pan and just add 1 spoon of mixture in it. It is going to take 1 minute because it is very cold, because we have kept it in a refrigerator. So after 1 to 2 minutes I am going to add water. I am adding 1 bowl of water in it and stir it. It's totally up to you about the consistency of the Cerelac according to your baby. You can add more water if you want thin paste. You can also add more mixture. It depends upon you only. It depends on the consistency of your baby, what they feed. To enhance the taste of the Cerelac, I am going to add 1 spoon sugar in it, as my baby likes sweet taste. Just adding 1 spoon of sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, if your baby don't like the sweet dishes, so you can also add 1 pinch of salt in it also. It depends upon the taste of the baby. Just have a look, it is ready. Again I am saying it depends on you about the consistency of the Cerelac which your baby is going to feed. It is ready now. Both the paste is ready. The first one is which we are going to store in the refrigerator, and the second one is ready one. I must say it is very easy and tasty Cerelac for your baby. But just remember, the babies which are at the age of 9 months can have this Cerelac, not below that. You can store it in an airtight container for a month also. Just try it once and reply me in my message box. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.